Hello everyone, welcome to another session on Introduction to Electronic Media. In this session, we are moving on to next module, and the next module is chapter 3, Basic Elements of Radio Program. This video is like in fact an introduction to that particular chapter. We have already seen and discussed about radio. And we already know that radio is a widely used mass communication medium. It has, in fact, radio has great potential in the dissemination of information and also in providing education and entertainment to millions of people. We have already seen the concept called transistors in the previous session or the previous chapter. So you can see that with the advent of transistors, radio has reached millions of people in the urban and also in the rural India. But you can see that it has got an optimum use of radio we see more in the rural areas as their access to other media is limited. It has advantages over other media, say television or newspaper. And we have already seen that, in our discussions on characteristics of radio, and also when we discuss the scope of radio. And the advantages include radio is handy, it is portable, it is cheap, and also that it is easily accessible. It is considered as the most portable of all broadcast media. In one of my discussions, I have told you about, or in one of my discussions, we have discussed about the relevance of radio amidst the overwhelming presence of television and other new media in India. Radio has its own significance in India. There I have said that why exactly radio is relevant in the context of India. It's basically because vast majority of Indians they have no power supply, and their access to television sets is limited, and thus for a vast majority of Indians, all India radio programs continue to be the only source of information and entertainment. So that there you can summarize the introduction part of this particular chapter. The entire module, or you can say the chapter 3, can be summarized into 7 points, or you can say 7 points are in fact being discussed in this particular module. First one is elements of radio program, then the second one is radio writing style, then we have radio news writing, then news reading, what exactly are the specific features of radio news reading. Then we have the fifth section is different radio programs, that is in fact categorized into 6 that we'll discuss later. Then after different radio programs, we have a small session on radio jockey, and the last session is on outside broadcasting. Outside broadcasting is a very important area. On all these areas are like important areas to ask questions. Then within the fifth point, the different radio programs, it is divided into 6. One is radio interview, then we have radio talk, radio feature, then commentary, then we have radio magazine, then we have radio drama and radio documentary. Are the 7 sections that are under different radio programs. So this you can say is like an overview of the entire chapter. Though it's pretty lengthy a chapter, it has got very specific and definite points, and so many short question areas or short essay areas are in fact there from this chapter. So we will have a quick look at all these 7 topics one by one. So in the next video we'll discuss about the elements of radio program. Till then, take care and God bless.